2019. Hello, ding. Hey beautifuls, it's Emma J. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am having a fantastic day. I have a puppy pawing at my legs. That's a good day. What? Hello. Do you want to come up here with me? Okay, you can be up here with me. She likes to just be held, you know? She's a snuggle pup, yes. So, I want to talk to you guys about a couple of my New Year's resolutions, but mostly the main one, which my resolution for 2019 is to become a full minimalist. Now, those that know me know that I don't own a lot of things kind of in general, but I do own a lot of things in compared to what I would like to own, if that makes sense. So my goal for this year is to become a full minimalist, and I want to talk a little bit about that today, and I'm hoping to sort of make this into a series as I take you guys on my journey of decluttering and getting rid of stuff and becoming a minimalist. So the first thing is, like, what is minimalism? For those who don't know, minimalism is essentially the owning less to live more is the way that I describe it. It's kind of different for everyone. You know, some people, they do well by just owning what they can fit in a backpack, and that is great for them. And some people do well by owning like less than 100 items. And for me, it's less about the number of items I own and more about the way that the things I own make me feel. And minimalism really focuses on like only owning things that bring you joy and that really add value to your life. And a lot of times people assume that that's just things, that that's just stuff, but it's also relationships and how you handle your money and how you handle your schedule. It all sort of bleeds into it once you begin to become a minimalist and start going on that journey. Now, I've been on this journey for about 3 years now, 2 or 3 years now, and I've been slowly getting rid of stuff, but I really want to take the plunge this year and just clean out and fix a lot of my habits and my buying habits and things like that that sort of keep me from having that final push. So I'm going to be taking you along on that journey. So the first step is clothes. I don't own a lot of clothes, but I own more than I currently use. I've noticed that I tend to stick to the same 4 or 5 Sunday clothes and the same, like, you know, outfits enough for a week. And so I've just decided, okay, I'm gonna go through my whole closet. I'm gonna be using multiple methods throughout this whole process, and you guys are gonna get to see different sections of my life that I do. So the first one is clothes, and I filmed that the other day when I was working on it. So I hope that you enjoy, and I hope that you actually really pursue your goals this 2019, and I pray and hope that you reach them. I will see you in the end card. Okay, excuse the noise, the washer's on. So I have laid out all of my clothes, shoes, accessories, every last item that I own on my couch in my living room, and I'm going to go through them one by one using the KonMari method, holding it up saying, does this spark joy? I'm going to add in there, do I use this often? Because some things, like say a pair of socks, may not spark joy, but you use them every day, right? So it's going to depend on like what condition it's in and things like that. So kind of a mix match of KonMari method and my own methods, but this is what it looks like. So this is all of the clothes that I own. And there's all my shoes. And those 2 boxes are my accessories and hair stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go through that now. So I discovered minimalism in college, actually. After my first semester, I came home from a break and was getting ready to pack up and take everything back, and I realized that half of what I had packed I didn't want with me. It felt crowded, it felt too much. And so I decided to just get rid of a big bulk of things that I didn't want anymore. And it came out of me naturally. I didn't even know what minimalism was at the time. And it wasn't until about 8 months later that I discovered the community of minimalism and discovered what it was. And it was cool for me to be able to find people who sympathized and understood how I felt about being weighed down by all of this stuff and, you know, cluttered up in the head just as much as you were cluttered up in your room and your space. So it was really awesome to find that community, and I'll put some links in the description of different resources I found and YouTubers that I found that talk about it. But yeah, I feel pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And my lovely pup. Yes. Me and my puppy are going to go spend some time together, and I hope that you have a fantastic start to your 2019, and I will see you very soon. Mwah.